15 years ago, a terrible thing happened in my hometown. The dead can no longer speak.
Authorities are still uncertain of exactly how many people are missing, but there only appears to be 7 survivors.
Those who survived must now relive this terrible event. To the enduring frustration of local authorities, those truly responsible were never brought to justice for what would live in infamy as the Ricky Elfo incident.
Excuse me, we were talking.
Literally so fucking rude. What a bitch.
Who do you think was the mastermind of it all?
I think it was like some homeless person or something.
Oh my god, Tammy, that is so rude. It was definitely not someone who was experiencing houselessness through no fault of their own. It was probably one of those fucking stoners.
Who I think did it? I think it was those asshole football jocks.
I think it was one of those fucking nerds, USB or ASB, whatever.
I don't know who did do it, but I know it wasn't Susie because she had gym that period, so she was in the locker room changing.
I don't know, I heard it was like Satanist or something, which actually sounds kind of hot.
What the hell happened to that goth girl?
I don't know, I did my grub.
Hey, get the fuck off of me!
Oh shit! Someone should hear this. What the fuck is going on?
What's that over there?
Ew!
Oh my god, is she dead? Or is this like for the movie?
It's probably for the movie. I bet they got the blood on like Amazon or something.
She looked pretty fucking dead when she was alive.
Yo, guys, this is too real. I need to go smoke.
What are you doing? Go ahead, go.
I'm freaking the fuck out.
Honestly, it's fine. This is so fucking fake. It's just part for TikTok or
Okay,
something.
you know what? Why don't you all go upstairs and freshen up a little bit, and I'll go make sure everything's okay, and I'll see you all soon, okay? So just go upstairs, and I'll see you.
He knows what he's talking about.
Hey, how about you show me how long that lens will get?
And where were you when it happened 15 years ago?
I think I was probably in the bathroom, and you were like low-key obsessed with me back then. We were pretty inseparable, so you probably were too.
You dumb bitch, don't tell people that. I'll kill you.
Oh, I was in the gym getting some reps in, Ugh.
Well, Susie would have just finished her shower, so I probably would have been outside of the locker room waiting for her.
Hey guys, I just saw that fucking stoner kid get killed outside. It was insane.
Dude, you are killing my vibe. Whatever.
Jesus fucking Christ, guys. I am freaking the hell out, man. I just saw somebody get killed downstairs.
What are you talking about?
What do you remember from that historic day?
Everybody's being little pussies. Nobody had any fucking guts back then.
Well, once I made sure that Susie was safe, I called my mom and got the hell out.
Everybody was freaking out!
Oh, boss, I'm sorry. I'll get back to work.
Oh my god, is everybody okay? God, what the fuck is happening?
Go!
What the fuck? Holy! Call 911. What are you doing filming this?
Are we still rolling?
Yeah, boss. Sure thing.
Great. I'm gonna beat this thing Roger Corman style. Quick, cheap, and dirty.
Ah, fuck.